video. So today I'm going to be cleaning my fridge, and I'm just going to be cleaning the freezer area and the fridge and just taking out old stuff that I don't need anymore that's expired. So let's go ahead and clean the fridge.
I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretend.
Okay guys, now it's time for me to clean my fridge.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it all. I won't promise kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Let me a war in my mind. Let it go.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine. Also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants. Just fix on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get none from me. Taking out the bitch and just slide on his best friend's side.
I'm almost done with my fridge. I just need to put the vegetables away.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? And it's reckless of knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on the back, gonna be your last. Like, is you coming home? Is you where we hurt? I don't care long as
Okay guys, I just finished cleaning my freezer and the fridge, and it looks really good now.